Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to forward text messages in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you are using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to forward any text message, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your messages and here just select the message you want to share or you want to forward. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, just keep a long press on any message and here just click on these three dots. You might see the forward option from here. Just select forward and just select the receiver or the destination if you want to share this message. Or you have a second way, you can click on this copy icon to copy your message. Once you have copied, you can paste it anywhere you want to send. So in this way, you can easily forward any message and something as this is Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.